Alright guys, we are here at Chong Ek. I'm here with Steven. How are you?
Hi.
Thank you so much for for this. So here we have the riding apparel from Clover, right? From Italy, they import this for me for our upcoming ride. So a bit of background, this apparel is actually meant for cold weather. And of course, we have to hook up with Chong Ek since they are our sponsor, and they've gladly hooked me up with this for our upcoming India trip lah. So now I'm gonna unbox. I also nervous, a bit nervous. Azhar is recording, by the way. Thank you, Azhar, for being my cameraman. I have to say that the box is really tough. Oh my god. Wow. Oh, lawa. Nice. So this is the riding jacket itself. It's very heavy because it's got lining on.
Yeah, lining and also the guards come together with the guards.
This one is the gloves for cold weather also. And this is the riding pants. Okay, so we are gonna try it on. Oh, this one is the inner lining.
This one can remove one.
Oh, okay.
Actually, it's for 4 seasons. 4 seasons there.
So this is actually not sold here, right? You guys brought this just for me. Not that bad actually.
So you feel very warm?
It is warm. It's actually considering that we're under aircon right now.
But is the lining removable? Yeah.
It's removable. So I think they spoke to me about this. It's removable. They can use this for normal climate also lah.
This one,
Oh, this one.
when the weather hot, you can open up this part. So the air can be going.
Oh, okay, ventilation. Okay lah. So I just tried out the jacket and it's a snug fit. Oh yeah, the lining can be removed. Yeah.
This one you can wear the different weather also.
Just by itself.
Yeah, correct.
Oh wow. So the lining can also be removable. You can wear the lining just by itself.
Yeah, you can see the inside.
So it becomes a windbreaker.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
No, it's waterproof also. Remember to unbutton here, because here actually they have the button. These two button you must unbutton. Then you can remove this jacket. You need to study the all the compartment because
okay.
there's a lot of hidden. You see.
Oh, these are all for ventilation
the
also.
weather hot, you just open up this. The air can go in.
Behind also got padding.
They have. You also can store something inside.
Oh.
This part also can be removed. The air can go in.
Oh, ventilation also.
The waist also can be adjusted.
Wow, there's so many features.
Yeah, correct.
Wow, quite versatile this Clover jacket. Clover Dakar, which is not sold here lah. They brought this in exclusively for me, guys. Seriously, from Italy. Then what about the pants?
The pants also come with 2 layers. So they have the thermal inside also for cold weather. You can remove also. I think you got come with a knee protector.
Knee guard. Okay, yeah. Okay, you got cargo style pants over here. Yeah, and also some zippers for ventilation also lah. Oh wow. Wow, quite soft. And I really like that they got the reflector on the side also. Very visibility is good lah. So to remove the knee pad, just open the Velcro here, is it?
Yeah. The height can be
Oh, height adjustable.
because they Velcro.
Oh, interesting. So this zipper is for
Actually for jacket.
you want to link with the jacket, right? This one, like I said, is for cold weather. So Chong Ek did not bring it into Singapore. Yeah, only because for my India trip, they're bringing it lah. Maybe you can check out the other models. Yeah.
Our selling good brand is
This one.
air ventilated one.
So this is the.
More suitable for our climate now.
You can see the mesh.
We also got come with the rain.
Rain cover. Okay, I see. But this is what they brought into Singapore, lah, which is this one.
Got the
High visibility one. Oh, this one nice, Azhar. I know you like it, right?
this Dakar.
Oh, and this is the Dakar, which is the normal climate one.
How much this one?
Azhar want to buy already. Azhar want to buy.
All high visibility. And then with the mesh lining, it's much cooler than the one that I bought on AliExpress. The one that I wear during our first Thailand trip, that one is hot. It's really hot. It states in the posting, mesh jacket. But when it comes, it's like, Shala, no mesh. No mesh at all. So I'm looking forward to buy this one.
Alright, so this is the Clover range of gloves. Also, this one is for normal climate.
Yeah, correct.
So the ones they've given me is actually meant for the cold climate. So there's some extra lining inside.
This pants over here.
Oh, this is the pants.
This jeans one.
Oh, you can feel the padding.
This
What's the biggest size
Clover
that you have?
padding.
Sorry?
They got Clover.
Kevlar padding. Kevlar, for bullets, that one.
So what's the biggest size that you carry? Because riding
40.
pants very hard. Huh? 40.
About 40.
Size 40. Oh.
They can special order if you want.
Factory they make.
Looks like I need a special order. I wear 42. It's very hard to find a riding pants size 42, 43.
So everybody's like taking opportunity to try out some of the merch they have here. And Zah is trying out a very, very unique helmet. Dia macam Stormtrooper, sah. Lawa, sah. Purple habis ni.
Duotone.
Yeah, it's like, how to say, like Abing, they like to wrap the car like this one.
The duotone. And then some more is a removable chin guard. I think this goes well with my Kimco DTX 360. Looks so nice. Oh, okay. Start.
Yo, cantik Azhar.
Start. The removable chin guard is actually a plus point, you know. When I feel like I need more air, I can just take out. Start.
Glasses friendly also.
I can wear this very comfortably without, it snagging on my glasses.
My friend Zah accidentally buy helmet. By accident. He come here accidentally buy helmet. Then Ajib also the same. Come here accidentally buy jacket. By accident.
During our long rides, I want to buy something nice lah. I mean, my current modular helmet is already wearing out. Cannot close properly. I'm torn between this one or this one. This one looks nice. Riding this one in for the next 2 hours, 3 hours on the road. Pain, sir. Serious. Yeah, pain. Because a bit too small lah for me. A bit too tight.
Actually, this Europe version one. It's a Europe spec.
My wife's gonna kill me, sir. She will definitely ask me, why you buy helmet again? The bigger the boy, the more expensive the toys.
It's true. Yeah, it's true. Boys never grow old. The toys get more expensive. The size must update. But it looks good on you. Thank you, Steven. Really appreciate. Damage done.
Berat juga ni.
It's quite heavy, guys. So once again, thank you, Mr. Teh, for this. Really appreciate it.
Yes.
And yeah, don't forget, you can
Enjoy your ride.
and don't forget, you can buy all kinds of Clover apparel and riding jacket, pants, gloves, and also other accessories like helmets and all that. Don't forget to mention us also.
Give me all of your lies, 'cause you're my demon in disguise. I learned to love the cage you keep.